Hey everyone, I've decided to film my apartment. This is actually a condo that I'm renting. So I moved in here in March of this year, but I haven't actually filmed it. But just to get started, this is the kitchen. I've never had a fridge this big before. It's hard to keep it full because I live alone. Freezer at the bottom. Air fryer, stove, microwave. My glasses in here, just some storage. My cups, mugs, plates, food goes in here. This is my tea side, and this is just some. And then I have some, my kettle, my blender, my chopping boards, my food goes there, my dish rack. This wooden dish rack from Amazon. Dishwasher right here. I use this maybe once a month. I don't really use it that much, but yeah. More storage down here. Storage. I love this sink. It's so deep, and I can put a ton of stuff in here. I mean, I like to keep it empty, but I can actually put a whole bunch of stuff in there. Small faucet. Put my dish soap right there. And yeah, that's about it. My trash can. Let's move into the living room. This is where I sit and eat. My breakfast and my dinners. If I'm at work, I eat lunch at work, obviously, but I eat 2 meals here per day. The only thing that I wish would be different about this is this ledge doesn't come out. So it is a little tricky sitting here trying to eat. So I normally sit on the corner, and then, kind of, it's a little bit easier if you sit in the corner and eat that way. But sitting over there, this is best just to serve drinks. Like if I have friends coming over, they sit here, I serve drinks, and it's like a bar really, more than a place for you to eat. My workstation, when I work from home, I sit right here. I'm seated for half the day. The other half of the day I'm standing. Bookshelf. Actually, before I do that, let me just give you a look at this. These ceilings are they're very high. They're about 15 feet high. So I don't know if you can see the scale, but they're very, very high. So that's my favorite thing about this place is these very, very high ceilings. This is probably the biggest apartment I've ever had. It's about 900 square feet, I think. And in New York, that's like, for a 1-bedroom, that's unheard of, right? In most places. But anyway, my 65-inch TV, my new TV console. I have a bunch of like board games and stuff in there. My new couch. I can't remember where I got. I think it was Wayfair. It's really big, you guys. Like, I can lay here. Another person can lay there. Another one can lay there. It's a really, really big, comfy, cozy couch. I got this. It was actually very easy to put together. I put this together myself. It came in like big, chunky pieces. So all I had to do was just put the foam piece on, not the foam piece, but the mattress, the cushion piece on top, and yeah, it's very easy. It looks like it was daunting, but it was actually the easiest thing I had to put together. That was very difficult to put together. This was super easy. It took me like 15 minutes to put this together. That took me 2 days. My coffee table book right there. Give you another view of my living room. This is it. Oh, yeah, I do have that amazing chandelier. It has a dimmer built in. This is the view to outside. It's very quiet up here. Another accent lamp. I bought this from Amazon. The liquor was from friends. I think I may have bought one of those, I can't remember. It's just some knickknacks, my little bar right here. I have, you know, your essentials. More over here. And then I have this 6'3", 6'4" mirror. Because I'm 6 feet tall, but my mirror is usually cut off my head, so I had to look for like a very, very tall one. So I finally found this one on Amazon. Oh, was it Wayfair? I think it was Amazon. And it works great. You know, I stand here in the morning to get dressed and look at myself. And it creates an illusion of more space. Even not that I needed it, but yeah. That's my living room, my little bar area. I sit here to put my shoes on in the morning to head out. That's where some of my shoes are, right here. It's just nice to have them all in one place and they're not just scattered all through the house. I have more shoes right here. Now, before we go in, this is just my coat closet. As you can see, it's packed. Another mirror right here. Now, to those that have watched my videos before, I used to have this mirror above my bar cart in my previous place. My bar cart was here, that mirror was over here. But I have a much bigger place now, so I had to like buy more mirrors. So that's another mirror, love it. My shoes, knickknacks go in here. I love this African basket. It's from Botswana. And my washer dryer. Boom. If you live in New York City, this is premium. The hat that I wore for the Condo Tour, that was really fun. And let's do the bathroom. So the bathroom is right through here. I have my hand towels, toilet. I have more towels, my face products, things that I need to get ready. Toothbrush, toothpaste, you know, my clippers to cut my hair, shower, things that I need in the shower. It's an all white aesthetic in here, so my robes are white behind the door. I have 2 robes in here, one for me, one for guests. Not that I have guests that stay over, but if I ever do, one of them will be for the guests. That's my face towel. And then there's another wash rack in the shower that I use for my body, right? I never use the same thing for my face. My face has its own one, and then my body has another rag. Just all types of things and products that I use are all in there. The cool thing about this light is I can put my hand underneath that mirror. It'll turn off all the light, but I'm not going to do that because I'm filming. But that's how you turn off the light, by putting your hand under the mirror. So I never actually touch this. Once you put this on, you leave it as is. You never ever touch that again. We'll leave the bedroom. As I said, some more shoes right here. So all my shoes are kind of in one area. This is I would say this is about 90% of the shoes that I have. They're all here. I'm not a collector. I'm not a sneakerhead, so I don't have a lot of shoes. This is my linen closet. I have my comforters up there, towels, hand towels, bath sheets, more towels, more linen, and paper towels at the bottom. Super simple. And now my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. Very comfy, very simple. It's very cozy in here. This is, I don't know if it translates, but this is a king size bed. So if it looks small, it should, it's because this room is massive. This is probably the biggest, well, no, I've had a bedroom bigger than this one. Slightly bigger, but this is really big. And what makes it feel even bigger is these high ceilings. Very, very high ceilings. So things may feel or appear smaller than they actually are. So love the high ceilings. These are about 15, 16 feet. I've had that painting for a long time. I actually bought that at Bed Bath & Beyond a long time ago. Yeah, I have the 2 nightstands. I got this bed from, where did I get this bed from? Wayfair? Wayfair. King size. Fake plant, but I needed something green in here. I have my little accent chair right here. Same view as the living room. Get to look outside. Very comfy rug around the bed, all the way around. And then over here, I have my accent light, or my mood lighting, as I like to call it, my TV. So I like to watch Netflix before I go to bed. Just my little stuff in here, jewelry and fragrances. Another mirror. This is the one that I was talking about earlier that used to cut off. So I can only see like my neck down. I can't see my head, so my head will be over here. So, I mean, I can see how my clothes look, but sometimes I want to see my head, my face and everything included rather. So this is my closet. And no, I didn't just clean for the purpose of this video. This is how it always looks. It just needs to be neat and tidy. I don't like a messy closet because then it's hard to find anything. T-shirts, shorts, long pants, pajamas rather. More t-shirts up here. My undershirts that I wear every day when I go to work. More shorts. Mostly my work shirts. These are what I wear. I work in corporate America, so that's what I wear. Tank tops over here, for mostly when I'm in the gym, but I don't really wear tank tops at the gym anymore. I just wear regular t-shirts now. Pants at the bottom, more pants at the bottom, plus extra shirts. That's my laundry hamper. Suitcase is tucked away in the corner. Socks and underwear, and little accessories in there. So yeah, this is my bedroom from another angle. Very spacious. The only thing I didn't like is the color of the doors in this unit. Because if you look carefully, this is light, like a light gray, right? And then this is cream. So those 2 colors don't go, but I'm kind of used to it now because I've been living here for a couple of months. So when I first looked at it, I was like, oh, I'm gonna paint these doors. But I forgot that I would have to get permission from the owner, and I haven't. Now I think I'm used to it now, and I've kind of gotten a lot of like white, beige accessories. So now it kind of works, and I'm kind of used to it. I don't mind it as much anymore. But when I first saw it, I just hated it. But now it's okay. I'm fine with it. So one last swoop. It's another angle. Yeah, I'm yet to host people here. So maybe one of these days I'll have my friends over for a board game night or happy hour or something. I think it'll be fun. Yeah. My kitchen. Front entrance. Closet. So, little anecdote. This building used to be a school. And they transformed it into a condo building. So that's why you have these high ceilings. So this actually used to be a classroom. So kids used to get educated in here. And then they converted it into, a livable space by adding plumbing and AC and so on and so forth, and creating a bathroom. But I feel like all homes should be this spacious in New York City. If you live in New York, you know how small and how premium spaces. These apartments are very small, but this one is quite spacious. It's pretty good. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm gonna end it right here. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Thanks, bye.